Good morning, everyone. Today, DPWH Bacolod City District Engineering Office will hold the eligibility checking and shortlisting of consultants who intend to join the bidding of one proposed consultancy project. So, to start with, let's have a word of prayer together with Ma'am Krista, please. Amen. Thank you, Gid, Ma'am Chris, for that prayer. I will give the time to our back vice chairperson, Ma'am Joy, to preside this eligibility and shortlisting of one consultancy project. Ma'am Joy, please take over.
Thank you, Sir Magada. It's 10:09 in the morning. We would like to acknowledge the presence of the Bids and Awards Committee, BAC, TWG, Secretariat, consultants, and observers who are with us, and those who are watching this live stream via DPWH BCDEO YouTube channel. To check if we have a quorum, we will have a roll call. We have Engineer Shell Magbanwa, Engineer Lilet Estabilio, Engineer Cecily Nito, uh, our back chairman, Engineer Ferdinand S. Magada,
Present.
and yours truly, Ms. Mary Joy Padilla, your back vice chairman. We have also with us from Rolando Session Survey Office ng Welcome Ma'am, good morning. And also we have with us our two TWG engineer Nelia Quatris and Engineer Krista
Cornell.
Carnel. Good morning, ma'am. Considering that we have a quorum, we thereby call to order this April 2, 2025 eligibility checking and shortlisting of consultants. The consulting services project to be procured is 25 CSG001 for the conduct of preliminary detailed engineering geotechnical exploration for the proposed pump gate projects at Lupit River, Mandalagan River, construction of flood control structure including improvement of riverbank along Pequeño Creek, Barangay Banago, Bacolod City, and construction of revetment with flood wall, Cabiguan Creek, Bacolod City, with an ABC amount of 1,081,659 pesos and 10 centavos. The BAC received eligibility documents from DB Adswara Engineering Consultancy, isa lang,
Isa pa.
and
Rolando Sisyon.
from Rolando C. Session Engineering Survey Firm. The BAC shall now check if the prospective bidders complies with the eligibility documents in accordance to IRR of RA 9184 section and as provided in the instruction to bidders based on a checklist using the pass-fail basis and if they are eligible to participate in the bidding at hand. The BAC will then evaluate if the bidder has passed or failed in the eligibility requirements. After the preliminary examination of the eligibility documents of the consultants
Later.
if the after the eligibility
Preliminary examination. After natin. Pass fail.
We will now read the result of the preliminary examination of the eligibility documents of the consultants. For DB Edswara Engineering Consultancy, pass, eligible. And for Orlando Sison Surveying Office, pass or eligible. With the back technical working group will then proceed with the process of shortlisting of the consultants. The process of shortlisting determines the most qualified from the list of eligible consultants to undertake the project using the detailed set of criteria and rating system as provided in DPWH Department Order 143, Series of 2022, and specified in the EDS as follows. For experience of the firm, 60 points. Availability of required personnel of the firm, 10 points. Workload, 30 points. And the total of 100 points. The evaluation will start immediately. Evaluation and shortlisting need ample time. Be assured that shortlisted bidders will be immediately notified upon completion of the detailed evaluation. So are any matters that the committee wish to relay to our consultants? None. If there is none, the live stream conference is now adjourned. Thank you and have a good day.